Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to SotaFMS, a comprehensive management software for freight forwarders. Before diving into the features, let's take a look at the common operational and management challenges that freight forwarding business owners face today. First, management is often fragmented, with a lack of synchronization between departments. In fact, in many companies today, each department uses its own separate tool. For example, sales uses Excel, while operations uses Google Sheets, and accounting uses its own software. Without connected data, compiling everything manually is time-consuming, error-prone, and often leads to inaccurate information. This can lead to missed deadlines, errors on bills of lading, and a lack of control over work progress, especially when handing over tasks or handling unexpected issues. Second, document management is still manual and lacks control. Documents like booking notes, house BLs, invoices, and debit notes are usually sent via email or Zalo or scattered across Google Drive. Without a centralized system to track everything, files easily get lost or outdated, with no clear record of who made changes or when. This not only hurts your business reputation, but also creates real risk during disputes with clients or partners. Third, there is a lack of control over costs and profitability for each job. Many companies today only track overall revenue without a clear view of costs, like local charges, trucking, or handling fees that aren't tied directly to each shipment. This leads to inaccurate cost and profit tracking, making it hard to adjust your business strategy accordingly. Fourth, managing debt and vendor accounts is still manual. Tracking customer and vendor balances lacks transparency, as most of it is still done on Excel or checked manually invoice by invoice. This makes it easy to miss invoices, forget payment reminders, or fail to reconcile payments, leaving cash flow reactive and even causing unexplained financial losses. And finally, reporting is slow and time-consuming. When business owners want a quick look at revenue by route, profit by customer, or top clients, they have to wait for data to be compiled from multiple departments. Without real-time updates, making fast decisions is tough, leading to missed opportunities in a fast-changing market. To address these challenges, let me introduce SotaFMS, a software solution developed by Sota Solutions, specifically tailored for freight forwarding and logistics businesses. SotaFMS is a fully cloud-based platform. With no installation needed and no limits on devices or location, all you need is an internet-connected device such as a PC, laptop, phone, or tablet to easily access and use the software. Whether you're in the office, at the port, on the move, or traveling abroad, you can easily monitor and run your entire business in just a few clicks. More than just a flexible tool, SotaFMS is a comprehensive solution managing your entire business operations from customers, staff, orders, and bookings to accounting, corporate finance, and beyond. This helps your business operate more efficiently, gain tighter control, and achieve sustainable growth in an increasingly competitive and volatile market. This is the main interface you see when logging into SotaFMS. Once deployed, you'll be provided with a dedicated account to log in and get started. Logging in is as simple as signing into platforms like Facebook or email. What you're seeing here is the web interface. It's optimized to be clean, intuitive, and easy to use, even for first-time users. You can also use the mobile app, available on both iOS and Android, as shown right here. In SotaFMS, every feature is logically organized and tailored to the specific operational workflows of freight forwarding and logistics businesses. This helps you easily manage everything centrally, effectively control operations, and optimize your business processes, all within a single system. Key features include 1. CRM Customer Management Feature. You can manage complete customer profiles from basic contact details like name, email, and phone number to logistics-specific data such as preferred routes, client status, and interaction history. Notably, the shared customer database allows sales reps to proactively claim and service client leads with flexibility. This enables businesses to leverage information more effectively, avoid wasting potential leads, and manage the sales team professionally and systematically, step by step, enhancing the sales team's overall capabilities. 2. Quotation Management Feature. You can easily create quotations by service, route, and cargo type, and send them directly from the system via email quickly and professionally. No manual work required, all quotations are stored by customer, making it easy for staff to look up, cross-reference, and quickly create jobs once confirmed by the client. In particular, each quotation can be linked directly to a job, helping you clearly control costs and revenue while analyzing the profitability of each shipment. 3. Internal and external order management feature. The system allows you to create and manage internal orders, service requests arising from a job, such as inland transport or customs clearance assigned to specific departments with clear status tracking and internal cost attachments to calculate profitability. For external orders, you can create them directly from a job or independently, select vendors, track delivery progress, control outsourced costs, and store all related documents like invoices and contracts. As a result, businesses can collaborate effectively internally, manage vendors closely, mitigate risks, and optimize operational costs. 4. Pricing management feature. The system allows you to create and manage purchase price lists by service, route, and vendor, thereby providing suggested selling prices for the sales team. Standardizing price lists helps prevent quoting errors and ensures consistency across departments. Sales reps can easily look up suggested prices when creating a quote or issuing a new quote request for clients, saving time and improving accuracy. 5. Job management feature. This feature allows you to create and manage shipment jobs by service type, such as sea export, sea import, air export, air import, customs, tracking, or door-to-door. Each job is managed in detail, covering shipping routes, cargo details, ETD, ETA dates, transport documents, and assigned personnel for each stage of execution. As a result, you can easily track the progress of each job and proactively control the entire operational process with clarity. 6. Shipment, House BL, and Master BL management feature. You can easily create transport documents such as House BL, Master BL, AWB, and Manifest. With information automatically pulled from pre-created jobs, documents are printed or exported using standard templates, ensuring professionalism and consistency across the entire workflow. In particular, bills of lading are directly linked to bookings and jobs, helping you tightly manage shipment records without fragmentation. 7. Debit note, credit note, and payment management feature. This feature lets you enter actual costs such as freight, handling, tracking, and customs, and create debit notes to send to clients or credit notes for refunds when needed. At the same time, the system lets you create payables for vendors and automatically records costs to each job. As a result, businesses can easily track profit or loss for each shipment and get alerted if a job is at risk of negative profit. 8. Financial and accounting management feature. The system helps you keep detailed track of accounts receivable from clients and accounts payable to vendors. Each payment is recorded against each invoice, supporting accurate and transparent debt reconciliation. In particular, the system automatically alerts you to overdue debts, underpayments, or discrepancies, helping businesses maintain tighter financial control. 9. Revenue and profit reporting feature. You can track revenue and profit reports by shipping route, client, or time period. The system also provides reports on costs, gross profit, and job status to help evaluate operational efficiency. Additionally, you can flexibly filter data based on your needs and export reports to Excel with just a few simple clicks. And that covers the overview of SotaFMS software for freight forwarders from Sota Solutions. Thank you for listening.